When it comes to New Year's celebrations, both large and small, I love a good theme. It's what separates a generic event and a party when you create an experience. But it's not like you want to spend days and days creating decorations either. Once I have an idea in mind, I love to go to Value Village and just let my creativity flow and just scout around and see what I can come up with. I was trying to figure out what would be a great theme with a vintage flair for this New Year's, and I kind of decided on an Art Deco sort of 1920s style. I can't wait to show you what I found. So everybody's always on the hunt for the perfect dress for New Year's, and most people go for black or silver, and shockingly, I decided to go with a pink one that I found. When I found this dress, I was overwhelmed by, at first, the sparkly collar, but even though it has long lace sleeves, I think I might alter it a little bit and make it kind of more 20s. I found this black sheer shirt. It's kind of like a blouse, and it's much too big for me, but I really liked the fabric. So I think I'm gonna do something cool with this. I thought it would be really cool to incorporate this into the dress, so here's hoping. I couldn't believe it when I found these, to be honest, and there was a whole set of 6. They're so perfect for the color scheme that I was going for with this party. They're technically, I think, from the 70s, but I don't know, they totally have exactly the kind of design, the sort of Art Deco look that I was going for. No one will know, except for you and me, and everyone else who watches this. This is kind of a unique one. I found this in the home department, and it's just a clock. But we're doing a New Year's party, right? So I figure with this color scheme and the shiny gold of it, I'm gonna turn this into a really cool centerpiece for the party. This is like a serving tray, right? And the middle is glass and it comes right out. And that's kind of what I love about this. This part is what the food's gonna touch, right? So we can just throw that right in the wash. But this, I think I'm gonna spray paint it gold so it'll match all of the rest of our stuff. I'm excited to show you this next one, but it is kind of weird. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, struck with an idea, lightning bolt of like, I have to make this. So I found this swan. I'm pretty sure it was originally a planter of some kind, but I also found this serving tray. And I was thinking, how cool would this be if I put these together with glue and spray painted it and turned it into a really cool Art Deco serving dish with the swan? Come on. If you are trying to do a party like me with a vintage flair, definitely look up on the internet like ideas and inspiration before going to Value Village, and then your mind will be so open and full of things. You'll be seeing items more for what they could be rather than what they are on the shelf, you know? I found a couple of these champagne glasses as well, which is perfect because I don't have any. And you have to, you know, do cheers when the clock strikes midnight, so perfect. I've got one more goodie to show you. Are you ready? So this one is less exciting to show you right now because it's basically a big black bed sheet. And the reason I bought this is because at every New Year's party that I go to that I love, there's a really good backdrop to take photos in front of. Like, come on, this is the age we live in now. Everybody wants to document their awesome event that they went to and where they were with their friends. So I want to create a really great photo backdrop for people to take photos in front of. Well, that's everything in my haul. I can't wait to start DIYing this stuff and setting up for the party. Let's go! Turning these old clocks into interesting centerpieces was a cinch. I grabbed 2 sets of mini lights and taped off all the lights and battery access points before giving them a light spray with gold spray paint. Then I attached the battery pack in an accessible but not super visible spot, and I arranged the lights in an interesting way before putting the globe top back on. When I sprayed the mini lights, I also sprayed our trays and the swan as well. Then I used a liquid cement fixative to firmly attach the swan to the tray. Moving on to the clothing side of things, I used a seam ripper to detach the lace sleeves from our dress, and then I cut out the string necktie off of the black sheer blouse, as well as triangles from the front button-up area to turn into sleeves. For our photo backdrop, I made sure to iron the bedsheet out super well before hanging it up on the wall, just to help with the design. I drew my design out with chalk first. Using Scotch tape to measure things is super helpful because you can just remove it before you paint. And then I used just an acrylic paint to create this super 20s bold design. And now for our finished party setup. How fabulous is this? I feel like I totally matched the decor of my party. The theme has really come to life. Now, all I need to do is add some sparkling cider. Oh, why, thank you. And thank you for watching my haul. Are you planning to decorate for a New Year's party this year? Leave a comment and let me know what kind of theme you're going for with your decorations. Cheers to a brand new year.